Okay, so I've got a problem with this seat where when you push the button it doesn't actually lift up and it seems to be caught. I think it's just, I just can't lift it. Impossible to lift. So we need to lift out this bench part of the seat, and it just flips open. So there's a hook here, just pull on that and it should just lift it open. Okay. Next we need to try and take this whole panel off, this panel, so we can get to the releases for the seat. Okay. So first thing we need to do is take a screw off, which is just on the inside here. Just here, T20 Torx bit. Okay. The next thing to do is to lift out this little cap here using a flat head screwdriver or something quite thin, just to get into the edge here and then flick it out. Okay, once the cap has been removed, here's the cap. Okay, then what we need to do is get a really thin screwdriver and get into this hole here and feel for there should be a little wire, feel for that and push it down and then just lift this out. The lever should just pull out. Right, with the handle now removed, okay, what we need to do is go ahead and flip the back part of this seat down. Okay, so just go ahead and push the button, flick it down. As you can see, the seat won't lift. Now we need to come to the back of here. Okay, so the seat is now laying flat, and I put some light down at the bottom of this seat because the screws are down here in this corner. T20 Torx screws ×2. Let's see if I can show you where those are. Okay, so yeah, you can just make them out. There is one just here, the other one just here. Those at the bottom of the seat, those need to come out so we can take the panel out. Now we just need to prise off this whole cover. Okay, and to do that, so just get underneath where the handle is, where the lever was to adjust the seat. So just get under there and just give it a gentle pull. Then come to the front of it and give it a gentle pull. Then go to the, oh, I'm not slipped because of my hand. Go to the back, give it a gentle pull, and there you go, it should just come straight off, like so. Next, lift the seat back into the upright position so you've got more of a view of the internal gubbins. Okay, so one of the latches that's stuck is just down there. Okay, so I'll put some light on the bottom latch. So as you look at it, it's the lowest cable. So you've got a cable here, one, cable here, two, and then the lowest cable goes to the actual latch just in that corner there. Okay, and again we've got to flick that up to get it open. So I'm going to put the camera away so I can do that because I need both hands. One of the latches that's locked that we need to unhook is on the left side of the seat. So I'll try and get a close up. There we are. Okay, so I can just unhook that. Right. The best we can see, it's a bit stiff, but I just need to get in there. There we go. Okay, I've undone both latches. This one down here and the one down here as well, and lifted the seat. We've got the seat free now, as you can see. The seat is now free. Okay, so let's crack on. Okay, so now that the seat is loose, we need to just basically put this, fold this flat back, okay, and then hit the button at the top just to get it to fold as best we can. Lovely stuff. Now we can go ahead and remove the rest of this the seat cover, the little side cover. And to do that, it's quite simple. Just lift it up. There's a little letterbox slot there, and that just needs to go through the handle. And there we go, it's done. Okay, so I managed to take off the cover, the side cover here, and release the seat. Basically, it was this cable here that is actually just slightly out, which is not letting the seat release automatically, but at least it now does release manually. So I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I'll just show you how that works. I'll just pick up the seat. Okay, so now when you press the button, as you can see, it's struggling there to lift it automatically, but at least I can now release it manually by pulling on this. So some sort of success. So what I've done is I've tried just a little cable tie on the end here, okay, just to shorten this cable a little bit, shorten the opening part of it a little bit, and let's see how that works. Okay, so like I said, I've just shortened this cable a little bit by putting a cable tie on the end here. Okay, just tying the cable tie in, and so let's see how that works. So push the button. Voila, sorted. I can't believe it, we fixed it. Fantastic. So once finished, I've just reversed it, engineered everything, put everything back together, including the handles and the side panel. Moment of truth. Beautiful. Lovely stuff. Done and dusted.